Thank you, and I'm very happy that you said a few words, because more than a few words I really don't have. Reason being that out of this august company on my right, all these worthy gentlemen, I am the odd one out. I've known Shiv and KK and Makarand. Yeah, he does this disappearing act very often. I've known these three worthy gentlemen for quite a long time. This worthy gentleman, Mr. Raj Supe, the author of this book, the reason why we are all here, I met for the first time in my life 2 hours ago. Today, 2 hours ago, in Starbucks. But the connection is slightly older. Krishna Patel, right here, dear friend of mine, dear friend of Raj's. A few months ago, she said, Benji, would you write, not would you like to, not will you maybe please, no. Would you write a review of a book my friend has written? I had no idea who this friend was. Obviously, I had no idea that he had written many books before this book. But I jumped in and said yes. And then Raj sent me some excerpts from the book. I read them and I wrote back to him saying, Raj, look, I cannot write any kind of a review or anything, book or anything else, until I have read the entire thing in its entirety. He trusted me, he sent me the manuscript. I read it, some of it I read several times over, and then I wrote what I think more than a review, it is my reaction, my impressions of this wonderful book, When Life Turns Dirty. The first time I've been introduced to writing of this kind. The only connection being that a little brief has been written by Mr. Ruskin Bond. Mr. Ruskin Bond and I went to the same school. 15 years, he's my senior at the Bishop Cotton School in Singapore. So there were the connections kept establishing themselves. Ruskin Bond, Bishop Cotton School, Simla, Hills, he lived in the hills, and so on and so forth. Two and two got together, and I attempted and wrote what I thought was a heartfelt appreciation of this wonderful book. And now, when I got the book in my hands a little while ago, I realized that he, Mr. Raj Supe, had done me the singular honor of publishing that review as the foreword of this book, for which Raj thank you.
No, I must thank you.
More than that, I cannot say because I don't have much to say, except, as KK said, please read the book. It is worth reading. To me,
Trio, and he's now going to tell us his version of Cafe Luna.
Hey, how it is? Thank you. Raj. Congratulations.
Well, Ashutosh, we made sure we didn't launch the book without you. And we're so pleased to finally have you here with us because each of them were talking about their association with Raj, and we know you're a very integral part of that association. So if you could just share that with us before we move on to the book launch and the reading.
Good evening. Sorry to hold things up here. It's a very special moment for me to be here this evening, especially because of the launch of a very, very old friend who has always wanted to do something like this for many years, and finally he's come up with the book. My association with him was meeting him through a Prithvi Theatre, but what I discovered in him was a poet, a spiritual person, and was intense talent for writing. And that's the time I offered him to do the English translation of my songs of Swades and of Jodhpur, which he did so beautifully that one day Javed Saab called me and said, "Ki bhai, who has done the translation of the songs for the movie?" Because till that point in time, if you said Rang Barse would be color sprinkling. And we would have very literal translations. But the way Raj had transcreated the songs, it was like a different poetry in itself, while doing full justice to Javed Saab's poetry. And he immediately included his songs, in his collection of poems, which is doing in English, which I thought was quite a commendable thing. And till this day, Raj, I think, has been for me someone who's always traveling. He keeps calling me out of the blue. And where are you now? Bangalore. Where are you now? Uttarkashi. Where are you now? Gangtok. I mean, he can be found in several places. So I'm really looking forward to reading this. When Life Turns Turtle, I find the title so interesting because this is something that happens to us every 6 months in our business. So good luck, Raj.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me and letting me know this happened. Because otherwise we tend to think, yaar, wo bahut busy hai, usko kyun bulaye? Let him do his work. So I'm very happy that you thought of me and you invited me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Before we proceed with the launch, if you could just have one more replay of the teaser again, we follow that by the launch, and then the reading. Benjamin, Shiv, if you have a few excerpts to read before we throw it open for questions.
Yes. What prompted me to write this book? Well, I was leading a solitary life for a long time, and I had engaged myself in some kind of talking to people about spirituality. And most of what I spoke amounted to a sermon. And I discovered as time passed that there are takers for sermons, but there are not so many takers for sermons. There are more takers for stories, because I myself was one for stories and not for sermons. So I wrote a story.
Wonderful.
And I'm 50.
Any chance of it turning turtle
Will
again?
anybody else have questions before we proceed? Anyone with questions? Yes, please.
Well, she's asking, I think if I'm getting it right, you're asking whether an atheist can turn spiritual. Is that the question? My answer is that atheist is already spiritual. There is nobody who is not spiritual. Everybody is spiritual. So there is no question of turning spiritual. It's just a question of looking at it.
Well done. Well done.
Yes.
No. I'll pass on the mic. You don't have to speak. You don't have another mic? So many mics here. Wired.
Turtle level. So yeah, so that's the answer.
Okay. Table. Which one?
No, this is not my occasion. This is Raj Supa's occasion. We shall have a separate questions answer session about my career. Okay, thank you.
His first question to you is Hollywood the benchmark for Bollywood stars?
दोस्त, मैं यहाँ पे जो है ना, मैं अतिथि बन गया हूँ. मेरे दोस्त का बुक लॉन्च हो रहा है. So I would rather that if you have understood what this whole function is all about, please ask questions regarding this book and regarding Raj Supa, and I shall answer you. Regarding myself, I have said enough, and I shall come again and speak with you about it. Yeah? No offense, man.